Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Desi and today I'm recreating Alia Bhatt Meet Gala 2024 makeup look. I love her makeup, glowing, dewy and natural look. So I will show you step by step. So without delay time, let's begin. So I'm going to start with my skin care. First product I'm using from Lalco California Vitamin and Serum, whitening, antioxidant and remove spores. Next, Lalco Vitamin Face Cream for the even skin tone and smooth fine lines. Then apply Forever Living Aloe Vera Sunscreen SPF 30, high protection UVA and UVB to protect skin from sun and sun rays and long-lasting makeup. Next, apply Lalco Vitamin Brightening Eye Cream to reduce dark circles, tightening skin and reduce eye bags. Next, apply from Revlon Skin Lights Face Glow Luminators 300 to get beautiful glowing skin. You can see Alia Bhatt makeup always glowing. Next, apply from L'Oreal Magic BB 5-in-1 medium to dark transforming skin protector, tint optimizer, vitamin complex B5 plus E 24 hours hydration. This is very lightweight and looks like your skin after apply. Then apply concealer from L'Oreal True Match. This concealer has a little peachy tone. You can use as a corrector and concealer to hide any light pigmentation under black circle eyes or uneven skin tone. So I'm applying under my eyes, forehead, cheekbone and near mouth where I have got uneven skin tone. Then I'm going to leave concealer for a few minutes to become taggy. Next, apply from Revolution Eyebrow Clear Gel to replace eyebrow and to get floppy eyebrow look and let it dry. Next, blend out concealer till it is smooth and evenly applied. apply another concealer for the brightness from Jacqueline Medium Natural. And again, I'm going to leave concealer for a few minutes. By the time I'm doing my eyebrow pencil from MUA, Define Micro Pencil, and I'm going to just fill the sparse area. Then I'm going to blend out concealer. And same concealer I'm going to apply in the eyelid and blend out properly and let it dry before apply any eyeshadow. Next, apply loose translucent powder very slightly only under eyes. Lock down the concealer and cheekbone, eyelid, forehead and near mouth where normally it starts sweating. Next, I'm doing eye makeup. So Alia Bhatt eye makeup looks very light and nude look. So I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes. First one is from Huda Beauty, Medium Nude Obsession. And I'm going to use light color and apply in the eye crease and eyelid and blend out till the smooth and soft look. And second eyeshadow palette from Eye of London and using little bit dark color of shimmer color and apply in the whole eyelid. And apply eyeliner from Forever Living Aloe Vera and create a small eye wing. Next, apply eye pencil from Rimmel London and apply in the waterline. Then taking same light color of the eyeshadow and apply in the lower lashes and smoke out. Next, apply bronzer from Rimmel London 002 Sun Bronze and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, jawline and in the nose to give some sizzling and sun-kissed effects. Then apply blush from Revolution is called Cheeky and apply in the high cheekbone and the nose. Next, apply mascara from QIC Long Lengthening Mascara. My favorite apply powder highlighter from Revolution and it's called Condition and apply in the high cheekbone, nose, forehead, chin and eyebrow bone. It's very lightweight, not very chunky. Finally, apply lipstick from CMAA DU peachy color. This is little bit dark peach color. So I haven't got same color of sari what Alia Bhatt wear in the Met Gala, but similar sari definitely. Now I'm doing my hairstyle. So guys, you can see my hair is thin and straight. Need to do curly hairstyle, high and messy curly. So only I can do curly in the front. So I need to use artificial curly hair, and I'm going to put in a high bun. Jewelry for the hair, I'm using necklace and mix and match jewelries. So guys, this is my final look. Alia Bhatt Met Gala 2024 makeup and hairstyle look. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, see you soon. Love you all. Bye.